We're going to hike Bridal Veil Falls in Colorado today. It's the tallest free-falling waterfall in the whole state. It's about 365 feet, and this is a popular destination for hikers, so this is where we're going today. You'll be able to see the scenic beauty as the video progresses, as the falls are located in a box canyon, and they're surrounded by steep cliffs, and of course you got the mountain setting in the background. We'll give out some information on the area and some tips that we noted, and possibly even the name of a reputable wedding photographer. The most important tip that I can think of is that you need to check the weather before you decide to take a trip here, because it is in Colorado, it is over 10,000 feet, and there is a chance that the weather could be severe. If you're into the ice climbing, you're sure going to want to check to make sure the trail is open. You know, they have avalanches there, and you're just going to want to make sure that you're going to be able to enjoy the activities that you want to enjoy. The falls got their name by the way that the water rushes down the cliff face, and it resembles a bridal veil, especially whenever the wind's blowing. The hike that we took was about a 2-mile hike. Now, we were under the impression when we left that it was only about a half-a-mile hike. That information drastically changed the way we packed for the hike, which was a mistake. I believe that the mistake stemmed from the fact that there are other activities such as biking and foiling, so you can drive to areas and just do a partial hike. If you have balance issues, this is probably not going to be the hike that you're going to want to take. Maybe you can do a partial hike and drive to one of the trails. A change of socks and some waterproof or some water-resistant gear is a good idea if you're going to get close to the falls.
So on this trail, people probably think that we're really old and really slow, but we're just taking our time, going on any little side trail we see, and it's beautiful. This trail is pretty rocky and muddy and has roots with trees growing out, and one of our diagnosticians from the school district that I work with came up here to get married, and she was in her wedding dress trying to get up here. I don't know how she did it. She's amazing.
I'll leave a link in the description for the wedding photographer that was used. One of the nice things about Bridal Veil Fall is that there are several bathroom facilities throughout the trails. They are outhouses, but beggars can't be choosers. It is amazing how far that the water will travel from the falls whenever there is a slight breeze.
We're soaking wet from the waterfall, but this is a lot further than the half-mile Cammie was talking about. Now we're heading up even further up a dirt road, to a rocky dirt road, to try to get to the very top. I'm not sure how far it is, but I should have brought more water, I'm pretty sure. There's an old abandoned mine shaft down here. You can see the rails.
When I was a kid in Colorado, old men would talk about working at the mine and also here at the power plant that's been decommissioned. We climbed to the top of the power plant, but it was all roped off as they were restoring it as a historical landmark. So we decided to head down to see the falls from a different angle as we went back towards our car. If you don't get here early, you better plan on putting in some extra steps just to get to the point to be able to start hiking.